Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a Cardinalfish. Things you need for this video is going to be paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button as we get right to this video. Alright, first things off, we're going to start for our Cardinalfish. It's going to be we're going to draw a circle right here with another circle, and then a U with kind of like a moon, when we want to think about it, and then a circle inside, and you can color around it. Then, right here, we're going to draw a line from right here to right here, go out, and then out like that. Same thing right here. Then it's just gonna go and do that, and connect like that. Then we're gonna draw spike line, curve, another line, and then line right here with some blobs. And then we're gonna draw long, tall spike, goes down with line right here, and then big line with more lines with circles around it, and more blobs. And right here we're gonna draw line, 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 then line, 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 circle, 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 more circle, small circle, big circle, line, and then another line. So it looks like this. Then for here, we draw a line that goes all the way to here, like that, with some circles on it. Then another one, and same thing right here. And then we're gonna connect it like the squiggly line with some more lines, big sharp line, line, and kind of the same thing right there with more lines and some more blobs. And then curve line with a line right here and more blobs. I'm just gonna add some detail. Alright, so after that, we're gonna go through the outlining process right now. After you get that done, we are going to erase all of the extra, well, not extra, we're going to erase all of the pencil marks from when we sketched. Now that we got that done, I'm going to show you your colors. So first things first, we're going to start with a really dark blue, and then kind of a little bit of a lighter one. Like this warmish gray color, according to this. Warm gray, I guess. These two light blue markers. And 2 more blues. So, mainly blues, of course. But for Cardinalfish, which is my last name, it's not red, but that's okay. I don't care. Okay, so these should be all your colors. Now, let's get coloring. You're also gonna need lighter gray. Alright, this is what your cardinal fish should look like when you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.